Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a 2023 F150 XLT model, and we're going to be removing the grille. First step, pop the hood. We're going to go ahead and remove the top mat, and the way you do it is just with a pry tool, and we're going to take out some of these push pins. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and remove these four 10mm screws. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and remove the electrical components. So we have this plug. All you do is just press on the tab and pull up. And same thing for this one, there is a little tab here. I'm going to pry it with a screwdriver. And pull it up. We're going to go ahead and release the harness from the grille, so that way we can remove it. Okay, so I think the whole top is already completed. Now we got to take out the bottom trim piece in order to release the bottom bolts. So if you follow me here, there's two Phillips screws. We're going to go ahead and remove them. Now that we released the bolts, we're going to go ahead and pry this open. Everything else should just be clips. There you go. Kind of just and kind of walk with me. I'll show you on the other side. So just pry. And now we have the bottom trim off. Go ahead and remove the two side bolts. These are 5/16. Now let's take off the grille. Wiggle it up and down, and this is how you remove the grille from the F-150. We're going to go ahead and install some 30-inch light bars behind the grille. If you're interested, please follow the next video.